Hey guys, welcome to Macintosh Weekly. And today this video is about OpenCore Legacy Patcher version 2.2.0. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. And now let's begin. With the release of OpenCore Legacy Patcher version 2.2.0, this version will primarily focus on macOS Sequoia 15.2 support. Primary changes include resolved JavaScriptCore crashes on macOS 15.2 and Safari 18.2, including macOS Ventura and Sonoma. Applicable for Macs without AVX support, pre-Sandy Bridge. Resolve a number of non-metal graphical issues in macOS Sonoma and Sequoia. As to be expected, macOS Sequoia support is still in active development. This is a community-driven project, and as such, developer asks users to keep expectations in check and use older OSs if you encounter issues that affect you. Resolved non-metal accessibility zoom on macOS Sonoma Sequoia. Resolved non-metal Photos app on macOS Sequoia. Resolved non-metal screen sharing on macOS Sequoia. Resolved non-metal inverted screenshots on macOS Sequoia. Improved non-metal beta menu bar reliability. Disabled non-metal broken weather background animations on macOS Sequoia. Resolved non-metal Safari hide distracting items crash on macOS Sequoia. Resolved non-metal full screen transition on macOS Sonoma Sequoia. Resolved T1 Apple Pay on macOS Sequoia. Resolved T1 TouchID support on macOS Sequoia 15.2. Resolved iCloud sync problems. Resolved JavaScriptCore on pre-AVX Macs on macOS Sequoia 15.2 Safari 18.2. So that was it for OCLP version 2.2.0 release. If you use OCLP, you'll be notified that the update is available for OpenCore Legacy Patcher. To update to the current release of OCLP, click on Download and Install, and the new version will be downloaded and installed as well. When you get the success message, click on Yes. After the OpenCore is built for your Mac, you'll be prompted with this option. Click on the Install to Disk option, and then from the list of disks, select the drive on which macOS is installed. And after that, click on the EFI partition and enter the password when prompted. When you get the success message, click on Yes from the menu. Click on the Start Root Patching option and proceed with all the prompts. Once you get this message, click on the Reboot option and then restart your Mac and you're done. and the Mac still boots up without any issues. So that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.